Well, hello there. It's Tyrone Jackson, the Wealthy Investor, and today I want to talk to you about two stocks which are really, really strong recommendations of mine, and particularly in this market because of how advertising is moving online. Now, I've built my reputation online by being able to explain to you the stock market in very, very simple terms. This video is no exception. So, the two stocks that I want to talk about today are Facebook and the other is Google. Now let's start with Facebook, which is currently at $170 a share at the time of this recording. This stock will go higher, and I want to explain to you some very simple concepts that I think could help you in your trading and help you in your investing. This is a 5-year chart of Facebook. If we look here on this simple chart, we'll see that 5 years ago, this company was trading at around $22 per share. Right? Today, if we fast forward, we notice that the stock is upward trending. It has a tendency to go higher, which is what you want when you're trying to build wealth in the stock market. So imagine being able to purchase something at 22 bucks and now it is worth around $170. Good deal, right? Let's take a look at Facebook's major competitor, which is Google. Google 5 years ago, if we pick just the low down here, was trading at $322. It is upward trending. For those of you who like to volatility trade for fast, sexy money, this is what volatility looks like over a 5-year period, all these ups and downs, which makes all of this tradable. But if you're just investing, you'll notice that you could have bought your shares 5 years ago at $322. Today, they're trading at around $910. These shares will go higher. Now, why is this so important here? Because both Facebook shares and Google make their money off of online ads. Now, the reason that most people don't buy these stocks is because they don't understand the online business of advertising. So let me explain this to you. When you do a Google search, look at this page. You see, I've done a Google search here of dating websites. These 1, 2, 3, 4 links here, these are paid ads. In other words, these advertisers are paying Google to have their websites display first, right? And if you click on that, that's what you get. Each time you click on this ad, Google gets paid. They bill that advertiser. Now, if you scroll down to the bottom, any place that you see on the web page, on a Google search that says ad, like at the bottom here, these advertisers have also paid to be displayed here on Google. That generates billions and billions and billions of dollars for Google in ad dollars, because in every category you could imagine, there are advertisers who are advertising their websites and paying Google. In the case of Facebook, they make their ad dollars off of ads like this showing up in the middle of your Facebook feed, right? So these advertisers are paying to be displayed here, and this is generating billions and billions of dollars for Facebook. However, the advantage of Facebook over Google is Facebook has monetized mobile. In other words, they're the first company to get ads to show up while you're scrolling on your phone, and people click through and buy products. Google hasn't monetized mobile the same way, so therefore their revenue is not growing as fast as Facebook. Okay, so we've both got two major online companies or two stocks that are the dominant players in online ads. So I want to just show you, had you purchased Facebook shares over Google as an investment, we're not talking about a trade in this video, but just as an investment, this is what it would actually look like. Okay, so if we just scroll down here, we see that Google, $1,000 invested in Google today is worth $2,413. $10,000 is now worth $24,130, and $100,000 is now worth $241,000. This chart that you're looking at right here, this is how we get rich and build wealth in the stock market in a 5-year period. That's what the Wealthy Investor approach is all about. It's knowing which stocks to choose. Now, let's take a look at this Facebook 5-year chart, which looks like this annually with this upward trending price action here. 5 years ago, $1,000 invested in Facebook stock, ticker symbol FB, is now worth $7,727. $10,000 is now worth $77,000, and a $100,000 investment, just buying the stock once 5 years ago, is worth $772,000. What am I trying to show you? If you are not in the stock market and you don't know which stocks to choose and what trends are in place, you're not going to be able to build wealth and financial security for you and your family. But imagine if you were in the stock market and you knew which stocks to actually choose. What's going to happen? Well, you're going to build wealth faster and financial security faster for you and your family. Does everybody get that? Right. So one of the trends that's in right now is understanding where online advertising is actually going. Now, there's four other trends that are in place that are equally as powerful. Okay, so I just want to show you again Facebook versus Google, the online ad space, how much money there really is to earn as an investment. So, your job is to make sure that you are studying the market and that you know what trends are in. If you are ever wondering about which stocks to choose and what other trends are in, you can come to WI Trade School. You all know that. And that's where you can follow my top picks that get no media attention whatsoever. But what is the moral of the story here today? You have to know which stocks are actually in and what trends are going on in the world and online in order to create what? Financial freedom for you and your family. That's what Trade School is all about. And that's why you subscribe to this YouTube channel right here. So whenever a new trend pops up, I can at least acquaint you with it and you can decide whether it's right for you and your portfolio. Remember, it's not enough to just have an online trading account. You have to know which stocks to actually own. I'm so excited here. I'm going to end this video right now, but stay tuned for the next exciting video coming to this channel because there's a lot of things that are going on in the stock market that are great and that you should be in on.